Hi guys, my name is Jazmine Lambarca and I want to do a video to show you how I personally will adjust the strap of the Paris bag of Demellier. And a subscriber was asking me how am I planning to adjust the strap, because I did mention it in the last video, the unboxing video. So yeah, let me show you the first way that I will use this and adjust the strap. So first of all, let me remove the little stickers. I'm just noticing right now that the hardware still has the stickers. Let me remove this one. Yeah, so pretty much this is how it comes. I have not adjusted yet at this point, but carefully you're going to pull this section here. All right, so here, if you see this, so be careful with this part. So don't pull it too hard. So I will just be careful. Just pull here like that until you bring it with the other end. So it's going to be like a double strap. This is the first way that I will be using this bag. So see, it looks really nice like that. And the reason why I'm going to wear it like this is because if I wear a winter coat, a puffer jacket, the sleeves will be just puffed up. So I want my arm to fit in here. So I feel like this is really convenient. So yeah, I am going to wear this bag like this. I will not wear it as a crossbody bag. I know this bag is meant to be crossbody, but I just do not want to do that. This is the main way that I'm going to wear it. Now the second way is if you want the strap to be closer, like a little higher instead of like low like that, then I will show you how to adjust. So if you see here, you can adjust it 3 more times. So I'm just gonna do the third just to try that one out. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is remove this little cap from here. Girl, this was so hard to remove. I had to use a little mechanical pencil. So now that it's up, then I will pull the strap to the setting that I like, that I want. So this is the third or the last setting. Then I will push that like that. And then I will adjust this part. This is adjusted completely. Now we're going to do the same thing to pull the strap. And you can pull this further like that so it's not like sticking up. Yeah. So see, now it's a little bit up. Isn't that cute? I love this bag and this style, and this is what I'm going to do. This is how I'm going to wear it. So you cannot remove the strap completely from this setting. So yeah, like that's that. There's no way that you can just remove it from there. I am really happy that I got this bag. I do not regret it at all, or the New York bag, wherever it is. Oh, right here. And I love these bags. I feel like these two specifically will last forever and will be in trend for a very long time. So whenever I buy a bag, I love to think about it, analyze the different shapes, different options, models, color. I mean, that's what I like to do. I like to do a thorough analysis. So I know that sounds ridiculous to some people, but that's how I like to shop. Yeah, when it comes to pricey bags, I like to analyze a lot. I like to think about the color, and then look in my closet. What stuff do I have? Like, what do I need? Do I need anything in additional with the bag? Like in terms of clothing, shoes, boots, stuff like that, accessories. But when it comes to the New York bag, I thought about it a lot, and then I decided to go for the black because it will last me a lot longer than to choose any other color, I feel like, especially in that style. So I definitely encourage you to take a look in your closet before making a purchase. Decide on the color. Does it suit you? Does it suit your wardrobe? how many times are you going to use it? What is the frequency? That's what I think about when I purchase a bag. How many times am I going to use the bag? Because if it's just once, then I'm not gonna buy it. But if I can use it multiple and many times and I can see myself wearing it a lot, then, you know, I'm gonna buy it. Before buying it, I did text the brand. I DM'd them on Instagram and I did ask them if I can adjust the straps to wear it as a shoulder bag, and they replied and they said yes. So that is really nice from the brand to reply to me, especially me that I have just such a small following here on YouTube and on Instagram. So that was really nice for them to reply. I feel like their customer service is just exceeds expectations. I've had a couple of email back and forth, and they are just excellent. So do I recommend the bag? 100%. Do I recommend the brand? 100%. One thing that I forgot to mention, I know that I've been saying that this brand exceeded expectations when it comes to customer service, and that the fact that they replied to my DM on Instagram. I'm not trying to sell you the bag. I'm just stating the facts that they are definitely good, because keep in mind, and a lot of you don't know this, but my full-time job is senior supplier quality engineer. So I definitely work with a lot of suppliers. I talk to them every day, and I audit as well. I do a lot of auditing. So maybe I have higher expectations than other people, because this is my full-time job pretty much, to analyze businesses and work with businesses. But you know, I don't know this brand at all, but the fact that they exceeded my expectations, that's what I wanted to point out, that I'm very happy with them. But ultimately it's your choice, what you want to buy for your lifestyle, for your day-to-day life, for your occasions, for your events. And I just don't want to persuade anybody to get anything. You know, it's your money, so you spend it however you would like. But yeah, I just wanted to clarify that. Alright everyone, that's it for my video today. My next video is going to be all about putting outfits together for my wedding. My wedding is next month, and I have so many things here. Bags here, swimsuits here, a bunch of clothes on my hanger, a lot of shoes, sunglasses. So I'm just going to style a lot of clothes just to choose outfits. And the wedding is going to be out of the country. It's going to be in an island, so it's going to be tropical. So subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on that. Thank you everybody. See you on the next one. Bye.